Hello children. How to calculate the range of the given data. Here the marks scored by Rohit are given 32, 37, 42, 44, 46, 49 and 50. First let us find out the mean for this one. Mean is nothing but sum of all values by number of values. So the number of sum of observations is 300 by number of observations are 7. 300 by 7. So what is range? The range of a set of data is the difference between highest and lowest values in the data set. This is the example 42, 38, 54, 78, 87 and 95. Range is highest value minus lowest value. 95 is the highest and 32 is the least. So range is 95 minus 32, 63. Let us see one more example. Here some swimmers are swimming and their swimming time is 3.2 minutes, 4.2 minutes, 5.5 minutes, 6.7 minutes and 2.8 minutes. We have to calculate the range of this data. First arrange it in ascending order. Then 2.8, 3.2, 4.2, 5.5 and 6.7. Range is highest time minus lowest time. So 6.7 minus 2.8, 3.9 minutes. Let us see an example. Find the range of the data 35, 28, 20, 26, 32 and 23. So we know that range, to calculate the range, first arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. So range is highest observation minus lowest observation. In the given data set, the highest observation is 35 and the least observation is 20. So range is 35 minus 20, which is equal to 15. The time taken by Arun to complete his tests are 1.5 hours, 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 1.3 hours, 3.6 hours and 2.2 hours. Find the range of the time taken by Arun to complete his tests. So we know that first we have to arrange the data in ascending order to find out the range. So 1.3, 1.5, 2.2, 2.5 and 3 hours is the ascending order for this data. We know that range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. So here the highest observation is 3 hours and the least observation is 1.3 hours. So therefore 3 minus 1.3, which is equal to 1.7 hours. So the range is 1.7 hours. Thank you.